Okay, so I left that area with the noise, with all the music. I had to do music over it and some voiceover, as you could tell, because the music was blasting and I was there for too long. So it was going to give me a copyright whammy and a half. So the scene is pumping and thumping. It's just before 8 p.m. and at least I can give you this, guys. That's a nightclub up there. It's called Clandestine. The entrance is right here, and the party's already beginning because I think they got a curfew until 11 p.m. So it's just thumping and bumping, full of people. Oh, we got Beetlejuice and the Mask up ahead, y'all. Beetlejuice and the Mask. Let's go see it, baby. What's up? I'm having fun. I'm enjoying this. I'm enjoying all that I'm seeing. Beautiful people, especially women. But that Beetlejuice has got a Mexican-looking face on him because he's Mexican. That's why. Paradox Tattoo Shop. Check this out. Nice lamps, different motives, different designs. Nice lamps, very nice. The name of this shop is called the Jellyfish Shop. And this one is just Subway. And then we got Restaurante Mexicano, with the little kiosk looking thing on top. And you would be surprised when you got a face of a gringo, semi-gringo, somebody that's not from here, and in certain areas they're just coming up to you and saying, yo, I got cocaine. But they don't say yo, but they say, hey, I got cocaine, I got weed, I got ecstasy. And I'm like, what? I'm like, nah, no thank you. But that's what's happening. So don't be surprised when it happens to you. All these people have these different nationalities. They're coming from Europe, Asia, Spain. So yeah, it's all happening. Mercado 174 is a restaurant. It's a restaurant here. Nice looking restaurant. Everybody just eating, hanging, chilling, doing their thing. Hotel Lunata. Hotel right on the strip. Okay, maybe I haven't even said what I was supposed to say about Playa del Carmen. Playa del Carmen was founded in 1937 as a fishing village. A fishing village, 1937. This state is Quintana Roo, and the municipality is called Solidaridad, and this is Playa del Carmen. But this place started to take off because the ferry would take people from here to Cozumel. And because of that, then this place started to grow big time as a tourist destination as well. And some notable public figures or people that are famous in the world that make Playa del Carmen their home, according to some information I found on the internet. David Guetta, the electronic music DJ guy, and Guetta. I remember I used to listen to some of his stuff back in 2008, 9, and 10. So, and yeah, there's a lot of tourism here. There's so much you can do from here. I'm going to turn the camera back on where we're talking and going, so you don't have to look at my mug. And you got Tulum, 1 hour south of here, or you got Cancun, 1 hour north of here. And you got the ancient ruins in Tulum right there by the ocean, seaside, and everything. And you could take a colectivo. If you take a combi and not the regular buses, you could take it for 45 pesos. 1 block from the ADO station, bus station. They got a lot of these places here that sell ferry tickets to Cozumel with snorkeling and whatever. Just make sure you go to an authentic place and make sure you shop around so you don't get robbed, you don't get overcharged, overpriced for something, because if you do a little shopping around and you want to save some money, that's my recommendation. So this place is very touristy. It has approximately 304,000 inhabitants. 304,000. Oops. So people were just taking their picture there with the two pistoleros, the Mexican pistoleros. So 304,000 people live in this town, and this is being developed very quickly because it's really coming a very hot tourist spot, attracting a lot of tourists from a lot of countries. Like I said, Russians, Brazilians, Portuguese, Italians, Colombians, Americans, Canadians, people from South Korea, from Japan, in terms of vacationers. And it's really becoming a really big tourist attraction. And I think this place is a lot better than Cancun because it's a lot smaller and a lot easier to access everything here. Look at this. Oh, this is like Quinta Avenida. This is 5th Avenue. This is all pedestrian. And it's a good 40 blocks of this going that way and going that way. 40 blocks total. And I saw that because I read up on it on the internet. And if it's accurate, then it's accurate. If it's inaccurate, then blame Hard Rock Cafe on that, not me. I mean, excuse me, the internet. I'm just joking around. So you got all kinds of places, but everything here is expensive in general because this is a touristy zone. So you're not going to find bargain basement prices. You're going to find things that are expensive, a lot of stuff, because they know that most of the people here are foreigners who come. They're playing some live music around here somewhere. I think it's in the restaurant right over here up ahead. So here they have live music. They sing salsa live every night. This is called, I have no idea, Karen's restaurant. And there's the band over there playing music live. And they play salsa from Colombia, from the Puerto Rico. They play some merengue too, but here you got Vive Nuestras Noches de Salsa. Every day, beginning at 9 p.m. They got the salsa night, and some people can even dance inside. So it's very good. What?
At 7 this time.
Oh, it's at 7 p.m. these days?
Yeah.
Okay, do you guys still have a restriction here from until 11 p.m.?
Yeah.
Only at this moment until 11 p.m.?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks. Appreciate it. So, he told me that it's beginning at 7 p.m. right now, because then even Playa Del Carmen, like Cancun, has the 7 to 11 p.m. thing because of you know who, you know what, and whatever. So here we go. So let's continue going. And you see other places are just mellow, no music playing there. But you got music coming from all over. You got another guy right up there about to do something live, some rock. And he's about to play some live rock up there. So you can hear it. He's about to start his live music up there. Nice. And some very beautiful women walking along the beach here. I'm just mesmerized with so many beauties from so many different countries. I mean, I'm a man. And in case somebody is confused about my sexual orientation, I love women. I'm not addicted to them. I'm not addicted to you women, but I love women. That's just the truth. And I respect women because I appreciate who they are. And so we got this other restaurant here serving drinks, cocktails, and all of that. So everybody's just chilling, drinking their tall cocktails. Hi, how are you? Everything good? Good. Just making a video for YouTube, showing people the nightlife here. Yeah, on YouTube, you'll come out. Traveling Eddie. Eddie, like Eddie Murphy?
Yes.
Traveling Eddie. Yeah, you'll be there. Bye-bye, girls. Take care. Have fun. Where are you from? Canada? All right, I'm from the U.S.
Oh, where?
Colombian American. My family's from Colombia, and I'm American. Okay, wow, those people were cool, those girls. Their names are Veronique and Sarah. Veronique and Sarah. Wow, nice. I talked to them for a little while. It was good. It was excellent. So, things happen for a reason. I couldn't do the live stream tonight, or maybe I'll be able to do it in a little while. I'm going to check. But it was so I can talk to them. And they say they want to check out my channel. So that was cool. I told them I'm Traveling Eddie, and they were just so cool. And they're from Montreal, Canada. So, hi, Veronica, Veronique, and Sara. Hi, ¿cómo están? ¿Cómo están? Espero que estén bien. So, gracias por hablar conmigo. Thanks for talking to me. You guys are awesome. Veronique and Sara, you guys are awesome. So now we're here at the plaza. That's the ADO bus terminal right there. ADO bus terminal. And where's my microphone? Oh my goodness, I didn't connect the microphone. It's crazy. I thought I was talking with the microphone, but I just connected the microphone now. So that's this. Let me go back this way because this thing looks kind of dead around here. Even though you see a lot of people. This is not The Walking Dead, but it is kind of dead. And the ferry's over there. Ooh, let's go check this out anyway. It's not so dead. I see there's a show down here somewhere. So let's go check it out. And, you know, what can I say? I forgot about the microphone, the external mic.